Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zips and welcome back to Monster Train 2. Let's begin. Let's do it. I need to actually build this win streak, man. I need to lock the fuck in. I need to stop losing like a dummy. I need to stop being a little chump. It's Madame Lionsmane. Madame Lionsmane today. I gotta lock the fuck in, man. I don't know if I've ever actually lost with Madame Lionsmane. I probably have. I almost certainly have. Squad leaders start with Madame Lionsmane? Okay. So we are taking on Entropy today with more Mass Flesh Weaver and Damage Shield 6 and Hollow. We have Proto Heart Cage with Loam Coat, Snotty Whelp, and Squad Leader. Look, if I'm giving Incant, I have to lock in. Let's play some terrible shit. So these are both like perspective picks. The thing I thinking with Pyrestone Housing is I don't actually know if like a lot of Under Legion units want this. Let me check. So what likes a third upgrade slot? You only need like Smidge Stone maybe, or like an HP Stone. You only need Dualism. I guess is good on Prickly Puffball, but like Prickly Puffball isn't a win condition. Which I wouldn't say he is. So I'll actually click Expanded Coffers here. It seems kind of goofy. Alright. Speaking of goofy. Yeah, let's play Everbloom. Let's make a big mushroom stack. And then be fucking sad when it doesn't work. We gotta get prepared for Entropy. Do I think I'm fine into the first boss? I need to get into the habit of asking this question. Let's try to find some other stuff first. This is gonna be it. A shit show. I just have a feeling this isn't gonna be pretty. I maybe should have played on not on this floor. But you know, we do have Proto Heart Cage, so I can kind of take the damage. Yeah, I didn't need Pyrestone Housing, so I kind of just took like a big maybe pick, because if you get Egg Generation, Expanded Coffers all of a sudden becomes, you know, very good. Very, very nice. It will become... We take like a one hit of damage here, but it's fine. How's this fight looking? Thank you, Snotty Whelp. Thank you for being a just fine early game unit. Doing his job beautifully. Alright, what are you showing me here? I do like a Proliferate. Green Recruit also actually isn't too bad. Kind of down for Green Recruit. I'm not gonna lie to you. If we have to build a big mushroom stack, I think Green Recruit is good for that. I'm down. Now, another thing here is I kind of want to click on Lava Flow, mainly because it's a zero-cost consume card from Madame Lionsmane. Loading up on Calci Embers is a little scary. But I don't think it's the end of the world. I guess we're just going Under Legion units because we're playing a very Under Legion line. Cluster Kernel? Most likely. Yeah, I think I will. You would put like honestly put like Avarice 3 on the Squad Leader. Why not? Actually, the problem is that like Squad Leader isn't actually going to be getting that many hits in, because he's going to be in the back. I guess it'll be fine in Relentless fights. Like, just 10 HP. I don't feel like spending a reroll here. I don't think Titan Stone on him is all that appealing. Okay, let's go. Let's go do stuff, I guess. Honestly, I don't need to take this trial. I don't need to. I was very non-spendy in that last circle. I will keep setting up bottom floor here, I think it should be fine. So you just do something like this, and it's fine. Unfortunately, I do no damage. I don't actually deal damage. Wait, no, no, I'm just gonna play this. Wait, oh no, I'm missing. No, I don't play that because then I'm missing out on money. I'm gonna be taking probably a good amount of damage here, but I'm gonna be silly and put this and propagate my avarice to make the money. I would enjoy not to take a billion damage here. That would be fun. That would be very enjoyable. So how much money, sorry Madam Lion's Mane, how much money am I getting from this? Probably a decent little chunk. That was probably good. I didn't count, but that was probably good. I will take a proliferate here. Hireborn Brain Spike. It's a zero, it can potentially be a zero cost consume card. See, what I think is interesting about this pickup is that Avarice can just be kind of nice for making money. Actually, I kind of want to take this, low-key. I'm going to take it mainly just to make money. Because then I can, like, put this on my mushroom stack, and it's kind of interesting. Yeah. I think I'm going here, although this path also isn't too bad. I'll go here. Okay. I don't think Greed Dragon is very good here. IMO. I guess I can... Does this duplicate it? For Avarice. Money. Oh shit, he's making money, man. He's making fucking money. What the hell? Is this allowed? I'm going to spell chain this proliferate. Oh fuck, man. He's just making all of the money. Red Crown of Followers. Hell no. Hell no. I am not in for that. No fucking thank you. Okay, I think this is a fight I can set up top floor in. I'm pretty sure I can. Good God, we're playing squad leader. It just occurred to me that we're trying to play fucking squad leader. I said I wanted to lock in, and like, and then I was like, let's play squad leader. Okay, this start doesn't look playable. You were not able to set up top floor. That shit cannot happen. The bottom floor I go. I did accidentally put the wrong unit in the front. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't. I'm going to take a billion fucking damage here. Oh dear. Oh, that's not very good. I think I might actually have to set up top floor because I died there because I like set up incorrectly. So I think I actually have to do this, and I just have to be like just fucking spending shit down here. You know what legitimately is the better player, the best play here? Doing this. Because I can hit Fleshweaver here. Or else I just fucking get owned. Okay, buff up that mushroom stack and keep killing the cursors. The curses. The curses will not reign. This is very good. We're stabilizing here. Unfortunately, I'm going to take a billion damage here. But we are beginning this. We're beginning to stabilize. Ow. Yeah. Thank you, Preto Heart Cage, for just making it so damage isn't really something to be punished for. I've won my dog rat. I'm like getting super punished here. This guy has 29 attack, man. Who do bro think he is? Play a Calci Ember here. Poor Avarice is fine enough. I don't know if I'm very confident about this fight, though. That shit looks scary. Motherfucker right there, that motherfucker there, right there looks scary. Please save me, Cluster Colonel. Okay, we are actually fine, which is very funny. So I just get to make money here. Give me all that fucking money, man. Make me that goddamn Avarice gold. Yeah, look at it. We were on like low money. Oh, it's a Smelted Treasures run, man. It's absolutely a Smelted Treasures run. Keep my mushroom stack healthy. I have to take so many Calci Embers, though. Do I have to play another squad leader on the floor? That doesn't sound right. But if I do play another squad leader on the floor, and if I take space here and play another squad leader on the floor, then what I get to do is I get to play Green Recruit on the floor, which might be very important. I'm gonna do it. Mainly just because we have Green Recruit. If I get Endless on this Green Recruit, he's pretty decent. I'm gonna go get some Pyre HP in. Hope the best. I like a Smidge Stone. Gives me a little bit more room to play with. Fucking more Avarice for you, buddy. Here you go. Here you go. Alright, now we got the Etching getting factored into this run. Well, I don't think I'm actually going to be able to get that Endless now, so unfortunately I kind of feel like I've clicked on a bad option here. Oh god, we still have to fight Entropy in this run. Oh god. Eek. Well, you know, we still have a run ahead of us to like solve that issue. Oh god, I'm playing squad leader. It dawns on me like every second. Why did I not take energy here, man? Oh god. Okay, well it's still good to put Green Recruit on this floor, even if I'm unlikely to get Endless on this guy anytime soon. Yeah, I will Calci Ember here. That sounds pretty good. Don't corrupt my fucking guy. What's wrong with you? Just play this for this amount of value. Then you just proceed to make lots of money. I do hope this corruption I'm eating, this 21 corruption I'm eating, won't be the death of me. Although part of me is kind of feeling like there's a good chance it could be the death of me. I'm going to kill these two guys, and also I'm going to get off like 10 corruption. Oh wait, that's my squad leader's dead. Yeah, that doesn't look very good. Alright. That looks bad. That my squad leaders die. Do I set a bottom floor here? I guess I do. Doesn't feel right though. Doesn't feel quite right. Really wish I didn't have to eat every single one of these corruptions. I guess I just have to take this damage here, man. I could also just like not play. Yeah, I think I have to do this and just say goodbye to the money and say hello to the calcified ember. Damn, that's a lot of money you have to spend. Eep. Okay, well, start making me more money. Start making me that money again. Ow. This damage really isn't that bad. I think we are in a definitely a superior position than what we were previously at. If I give this to you. Well, I thought we were in a superior position. God. Oh, man. Squad leader. What the fuck was I thinking? What the fuck was I thinking? What was bro on about? I have no idea what was going through this man's head when he said this. This man might have just lost his mind. It's like +1, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if it feels right to me. I wonder if you're ever supposed to give this to one of you guys. Probably not. I can't imagine. They're already dying. I can, like, minimize the amount of corruption I eat, which I think is a fine play. It is okay to do that. I really do want to be getting rid of these calcified embers, though, so I will keep... do have to eat some corruption here, sadly. Yeah. It's a really tough fight for us. Put a loam coat on you so you don't die. Then maybe if I'm able to play Smelted Treasure here, which I am able to, I feel like Relentless should belong to us. And it does. Okay. Definitely a work. Definitely had to work for that one. But hey, look at all that money I make back. I am the rich. These are two interesting decisions. Grow Room, probably not. Dig Deep is probably just going to be what I take. It's probably a Dig Deep. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. They're giving me another Pyreborn Brain Spike. I don't know, man. I don't know if all that money actually helps me. I already have so much money generation. I think I'm gonna head over here because I can actually spend a lot of this money to get cool relics. End sheet. Like we can get Dante's Footstone. I think I gotta take Jack Strips here for entropy. That's really good. Eh, unfortunate. Nothing else good. I don't think I'm gonna click on Trader Quill in this run. Grass only offers selection from allied clans. That would be Pyreborn. I will take... I kind of want to see if I can do a rare card. Let me check Pyreborn rare cards real quick. What can we see here? Where's Pyreborn? There you are. Hit me with rares. You would be pretty bad. You would be bad. You would be bad. You would be bad. You would be good. You would be bad. Bad, bad. That's a lot of bad. Okay, I'm going to take a relic here. I can take a magma core. It's fine. We were very happy to have picked up Jack Strips here. That is legitimately very good. Alright, who are we fighting? I can sit up top floor in this fight. That's very nice. That is very good. Alrighty. Gang, let's lock in. We got fucking work to do. We got some goddamn work to do, man. I will take this 1 damage here to play 16 Avarice. That is a good. I think that is a goog move. Can I would like to kill this guy. Yeah, look at that attack jump up. Oh, look at all that fucking money. My money. And I could finally, like, I'm finally in a strong position here where I don't feel like I'm playing, like, catch up. Shit. God damn it. Alright, whatever. I'll eat my words. Ow. We need to stack so much more paper here. Well, I finally feel like I'm in a position to get rid of these calcified embers. Although I think I have gotten rid of the calcified embers. Okay, yeah, we have no more calcified embers in this deck. That's good. Good God, the money just comes flowing in this deck. It's very nice. Extremely fun to just have this much money. Like that, you see that money input, man? Jesus. The Great Decay definitely feels like the idea here. I'm taking that. I don't think any of those are good. Okay. Let's head over here. We need spell upgrades. -1 definitely goes on our proliferate. Permafrost on the Great Decay, I suppose. Don't need that. Don't need Holy Stone. I like -2 on Dig Deep. To be honest, I kind of like doing this too. That's a lot of mushrooms. I also take a -1 intrinsic smelted treasure. Helps you build your mushroom stack nicely. Man, my money. I am so rich. I am the filthy rich. Don't need any of that. I'm very sure. Oh, this is a top floor fight. That's kind of scary. Or bottom floor fight. I put, she's not supposed to go in the front, but you know what, it's fine. Well, this doesn't look very good. But you know what? This is why we have the intrinsic smelted treasure. Alright. Hit me for 1 billion damage. See if I care. Oh, wait, no, he's gonna get fucking... He's gonna get goddamn jack stripped. Hell yeah. Nice. Get fucking jack stripped, bozo. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Well, I'm beginning the scaling process now. Snottywell, can you catch this guy for us? Hey, Snottywell caught that guy for us. Good job, Snottywell. Hey, not bad, Snottywell. Not too shabby, actually. Alright, dig me deeply. Digging in you deep, twin. Yeah, I'll just bot this now. Give me all that consume, dog. Consume me very high amounts. Oh, this mushroom stack looking kind of big, low-key. This mushroom stack, low-key, kind of big with it. Oh, it's to... Why did I never realize this was consumed to all cards in my deck? Why did I never realize that? Yeah, that's still really good. Why did I think it was cards in hand? Oh god, I can't. Okay. Guess that's fine. Guess that's, like, okay. Kinda strange. Kinda strange, not gonna lie. But hey, look at the size of this mushroom stack. Look at these damn mushies. They so big and so mushy. Spike of the Legion does sound pretty nice. More and more propagate, more and more consume. I like it. And I'm feeling it's either energy or draw. I'm leaning more towards energy. Why do I need energy? Most of my deck, it's not really only for the X cost cards. I'm gonna take draw here. Get the mushroom stack up big and fast. Well, I can kind of just click on cards in this deck. I need to realize that fact. That's very good. Kind of just click on shit. Actually, wait, give me remove consume here. Oh, okay, never mind. Never mind. I was mistaken. I thought you would give me remove consume there, and I was gonna be a happy boy. I'm a sad boy. Ooh. Give me a second copy of the Dig Deep. Give me that Etch Spawn 4. 4. -2. You can throw that on a Spore Touch. Yeah, I kind of just want to add like cards to this deck because I want Dig Deep to be stronger, and I also need more cards to consume. So I should have just been kind of clicking on random shit. I don't think I'm gonna click on this trial because I have to set up bottom floor, and that's scary. That's very scary for us. This fight's to kick our ass, I feel. I'm getting that feeling here. This fight going to not be fun. Hey, wait, actually it is kind of fun. We're killing all these guys. That's cool. Hey, not that. Oh, no, not. Oh, wait. Oh, but look at all these mushrooms I get. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, baby. Not bad. And I get my fucking money in. Get my money up and my funny up. Excited. Sight to behold. I have to say. It's a sight to behold. Yo, this mushroom stack kind of big with it. Kind of large. A little bit tall with it. Not too fucking shabby. Yeah, we need to find more cards for this deck because I do run out. And unfortunately, I do only have like one more I can take. Or I want like endless in this. I really want to hit endless at this next unit up. Cool. I have no cards. This is become auto battler. I win auto battler. I maybe want to like wait on using Great Decay. I have to be honest. I want to like. Oh my god, I have so much money. Okay, show me some good stuff here. Contagious. Honestly, it's a card that like that we keep even if it has consume. Ooh. I guess I just take Tome of the Contracts. I've been saying I wanted to take cards, and I kind of, meant it. I'm down to look for Endless here. A dupe is also really good. And I don't have much money to actually do. I don't really want to spy removals in this run. I'm gonna go over here. Spawn 1 is pretty okay. You're pretty okay. You're pretty okay. It can kind of just buy out the whole shop here. Attuned Whetstone can be okay. Although, actually, no, it's kind of meh, actually, now thinking about it. I'm gonna get another dig deep. Okay. I don't think it's a stasis Chris. I'll take a grow room. Might as well. I'll remove a card. I don't really. No, I don't spend your money. You need your money for your You need your money for your card that requires money. Your Smelted Treasure. This is my first time playing Smelted Treasure. I've never had a position where I was able to click on this thing. Okay. Okay. Bazooks? Bazooks? Okay, that sounds... Alright, that seems pretty good. Oh, and I get to kill these guys? That's very good. This literally does nothing. And that's okay. There's no, like, real reason not to just let the Snotty Wolf chill back there. In fact, here, have the Tome of Contracts. Here you go, buddy. Hey, the Tome of Contracts does do something. My bad. My bad, Chief. I didn't know you had it like that. Do I actually want to be... Hold on here. Thinking of something. If I take this damage, do you die? You will die if I act... No, it's close. If I do this, I think he dies. And if I take the pyre damage... I'm pretty sure that's how it works. I might not want to consume a bunch of cards in this deck. Eek. I'm being silenced here, so there's real no point in playing shit. Can I set you up to die? Something next draw looking like not great. Not amazing. Do I incant here? I don't feel like I do. I don't feel like that's correct to incant. Eek. I don't like that draw. Do I pop the Great Decay here? I think I'll pop the Great Decay here. I think I got to. Gotta do what I gotta do. So definitely, I got a Smelted Treasure here. I'm going to hit that floor with Pyre Gel. Kind of a weird fight. It's a very strange fight to have to play out. Very peculiar. But I get to incant freely this turn, which is good. I get to do that shit. I don't know why I'm playing Pyre Gel to you when you're not the boss. You're not the boss of me. I actually, like, am trying to rely on, like, Magma Core here to, like, deal with some of these enemies. Holy shit, man. Is Mushroom Stack actually gonna fucking get it done? Is big old Mushroom Stack plan actually gonna work? This might just, so crazy of an idea, it might just work. Go freaking Zooks, man. Yeah, look at that. That's like we've defeated the big wave. Now there still is one more problematic wave in this run. And it's the sweep guy, and it's the sweep enemy. I do have some ways of dealing with it. I have a surprising amount of like damage I can dish out to the back line. Okay, not too bad. It also is unfortunate. My mushroom stack is gonna be eating a lot of corruption, so I kind of just need to. Magma Core is gonna feel really important for winning this fight. Honestly. So let's hope Magma Core can pull us through. I feel like there is going to be some difficulties in this fight because if the mushroom stack dies, I die. Simple as that. I have to set up top floor here. I don't feel like there's another option to it. I almost want to take higher damage. I'm gonna be honest with you. Wait. This is propagating for 8. It's fine. I almost like just wanna take it. So I will not put a goofy guy on the floor this time. Well, I will, and by goofy guys, I mean, eek. I'm going to be getting cursed for a lot here, and that's scary, and I drew my contagious too early. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's not good. It's very bad. Alright, so, not good. I'm not going to play Great Decay yet. Grow room. And I have to. We have to get him out of the deck. Or we have to get him out of this run. I guess you could say get him out of the deck. I don't really care. Okay, he's dead. That's good. Man is finished. Get Snotty Whelp up there to take a hit. Dig me deeply. Do a little snotty spit. Right, we've killed the problematic enemy. We've killed the issue. He's dead. That man has fallen. And he will not be getting back up. And with that, I think we basically have this under control. Eek, I don't like taking that distorted bell though. Thankfully, we are playing Proto Heartgate. Oh god, I forgot about those guys getting like 1 billion stats hitting you. Eek. I always forget about those guys. Play these. I don't need to play higher lights at this point, probably. Do I full send Great Decay? I think I'll wait for the Chosen Ascended to walk past. I think it's fine. God, they are fucking beating the shit out of my mushroom, though. Yeah, I kind of just wanted to play Smelted Treasure one more time before I have to play the, before I play Great Decay. I want that armor. I want that sweet, sweet armor, man. You just do this. It's fine. That also just gives me a card to play each turn, which is nice. Legitimately. I kind of need to worry about you. Actually, no, I don't. Magma Core just auto kills. Yeah. Cards. Play your damn cards. This Magma Core is low-key, like, kicking ass. I think Loki, like, actually did amazing in this run. Magma Core plus Jack Strips was kind of a nasty, a super, like, low-key combo. I'm a fan. Oh, we won. Yo, the fucking squad leaders actually did it. This was way smoother than I thought. No shot the squad leaders actually did it. I finally did big mushroom stack solo carry. I finally got it to work. Holy shit, man. It finally happened. Unreal. This changes everything. Not real. Jeez, you ate 76 Pyre Gel? It's kind of a lot. Me basically not doing anything? Okay, that's kind of a lot of Pyre Gel. Yeah, this changes everything. Whoa. Very good run. Very, very nice little, very fun little run. It was actually meant to be a mushroom stack run. Who would have thunk? Hey, this Melted Treasure also did amazing work. The Avarice money generation there was crazy. Alrighty, sounds good. Anyway, that's gonna do for this episode of Monster Train 2. If you guys enjoyed it, if you guys liked it, make sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. And over out there, have a nice day.